now here in Tagaytay. Welcome. That's Taal Volcano. Cute. This is our birthday girl, Cherry. Casey Concepcion.
King Q pa.
Ha?
King Q pa.
Ang King Q pa. Ah! This is Jill. Hi. Wow. Kate, wala nang makeup. Isa pa nga nun, tirik na mata.
Set.
Oh, ito. Students we have with us. Justin and June. Yi Chunggi. Me. Taal Volcano. Idong Uk. Si Oliver. Tutulog na. Sleeping already. This is Taal Vista. Good place. Hotel. This is the surrounding. Very cute. There. Taal Volcano. Very cold. Shit. Very cold. Kate. Cherry. Yeah. Birthday girl.